case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, a landmark legal battle took place in the United States District Court for the Eastern District of California, Natural Resources Defense Council, Inc. v. Hodel. The case centered around the use of public lands, specifically the management of domestic livestock grazing on federal lands. A group of environmental and wildlife organizations, along with an individual, brought the case against federal agencies, arguing that they were not adhering to guidelines set by Congress and environmental laws when implementing their programs. The plaintiffs alleged that the program violated several grazing statutes, such as the Taylor Grazing Act, FLPMA, and PRIA, because it disregarded the defendant's duty to prescribe the manner and extent of livestock practices on public lands. They also argued that the program lacked proper authorization from Congress. Additionally, the plaintiffs claimed that the defendants failed to follow the National Environmental Policy Act, NEPA, by not preparing an Environmental Impact Statement, EIS, before implementing the Cooperative Management Agreements, CMAs, program. Finally, the plaintiffs argued that the defendants did not comply with the notice provisions of the Administrative Procedure Act, APA, when revising regulations for allotment management plans, AMPs. Both parties agreed that there were no factual issues, and the case was submitted for trial. The court found that the defendants indeed violated several federal statutes and upheld the plaintiffs' positions. The case had national importance and involved issues of first impression. Ultimately, the court granted the plaintiffs' motion for summary judgment, providing permanent injunctive relief against implementing certain grazing regulations. However, the court denied the plaintiffs' motion for summary judgment in other respects, along with granting the defendants' motion for summary judgment in relation to all other challenged grazing regulations. The court also found that the affected interest definition in the regulations was too narrow and that the defendants' environmental assessment, EA, did not address environmental concerns. Consequently, the former regulations were deleted.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.